Just going to do a quick demo of how to run the Canva beginners tutorial. It's very easy. So it's just welcoming you to the tutorial and it's asking you to scroll down. So scroll down with your mouse or on your keyboard. Next thing it's asking you to do is to click on the circle and change it to your favorite color. So you click on the circle here and you can see the color up here. So usually what you're working on will be up here. Whatever you've clicked on down here, the options for it will be available up the top. So I can click in here and, for example, very simply, I can change the color. I can do things like make it a little bit transparent by clicking over here. And you can kind of just see the way it's going a little bit transparent and you'd see things in behind. So that's the basic ways of dealing with that. Okay, and then you scroll down to the next one. It's saying search for a hat and put it on the monkey. So the hat would be either in photos or elements. If we're going to put it on top, it's obviously some sort of little thing with a transparent background. So I'm going to click on elements over here. I'm going to type in hat. And here are all the different hats you could put on. Now make sure you only select ones that say they're free. So I'm going to select this one here. Okay, and you can see it's way too big. So I'm going to make it smaller and you can put it on the monkey. Okay, and you know, you can kind of move it about and you can, you know, change the angle on it, etc. Exactly as you would have done in PowerPoint. Okay, so then I'm going to scroll down to the next one. Add a background graphic to this page. Okay, so I'm going to put in a photograph. So I'm going to click in here to the photograph section and I'm just going to type in wood. Okay, so I've got some wood in here. Again, I'm making sure it's free that I've selected and I'm clicking and I'm dragging. And as I'm dragging across, you see, as I just come across the line there, it goes in as a background. So then I let go and that's now the background of my page. I'm clicking onto the next one. Now, when you see these little placeholders with the clouds and the mountains, they're set up for taking photographs. So in the photographs area there, it's saying look for some fruit. So if I type in apples, again in the photograph area, I can take this, for example, again making sure it's free, and I click and drag. And as I go across, I wait, I don't let go my mouse until it's in the right position, and now I let go my mouse and it's in the placeholder. And I scroll down, choose the layout from the sidebar or a template from the sidebar and then put in a photograph. So I'm going to go to templates. Let's go to templates and choose one, for example, this one here. Okay, and I'm clicking and dragging it across. Okay, I'm going to replace the current page, which is fine, and that's what I'm going to use for here. But I'm not going to use their photographs, I'm going to use my own. So I'm going to go to uploads, and here's some photographs I've uploaded previously. So I click on the photograph here that I want, and I click and I drag it across. And as you see, as I let go, or I could let go over here, or I could put it in down here. Okay, and I can take my own photographs and put them in to the positions here, and I can change the text in here and just start to type and put in my own text, and all of the options for text are available up here. Okay, that's the end of the tutorial.